I'll be presenting the demo of our project. Here we can see three agents in the environment. This is the doctor, this is the patient, and this is the nurse. So doctor is the super agent here, and we have implemented curriculum based learning. So we have three phases. Phase 1 is the basic tool learning phase. Second phase builds the reasoning, medical reasoning for the doctor. The third phase is random domain randomization, where behavioral chaos is introduced. So when I start this, you can see that here a patient will be introduced.
I can see you're really struggling to breathe. Can you tell me about your symptoms over the past 6 hours?
The patient has multiple traits.
Oh God, my chest. It's so tight and breathing. Hurts. What's happening?
And same goes for the nurse.
Nurse, can you get me the patient's current vitals and note any recent observations?
I'm checking vitals now.
These behavioral combinations introduce a different kind of situation every time. So these behavioral randomization of different level is introduced only in phase 3, where doctor learns how he has to make behavioral changes to adapt a particular person's or patient's behavior. So these three interact, and the super agent doctor guides towards the optimal way to reach towards the treatment, which helps in maximizing the reward. Also here the SOAP is the electronic medical data.
Let's start with oxygen therapy and some bronchodilators like albuterol. And corticosteroids such as
Now, next case.
dexamethasone.
Here at the right hand side I can see that there are different patient personas and nurse personas.
I'm so sorry to hear you're unresponsive. Can you tell me what happened before you lost consciousness?
Here we can see that the patient is a disorganized speech and comes with a partial complaint of compliance. So we'll see how he responds while the doctor initiates the conversation.
I don't know. Back hurts. Took meds. Fell asleep, now in here. What's happening?
This is the particular situation where doctor learns to interact in a way where he asks the nurse to pull out more information by interacting in multiple stages with the patient. Also, we can see this is an emergency case, so there are no penalties for clinical phases being followed. For non-emergency cases, I have introduced penalization whenever a clinical stage is not done in a particular sequence. For emergency cases, it is evident that there shouldn't be any penalty for following a stage.
Nurse, can you check the patient's current vitals and confirm if those track marks on their arms are new or consistent with their history?
Let's check your vitals and those arm marks.
Administered naloxone, 2 mg forewarmed the patient, provided oxygen transferred to ICU.